Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I'm here again. This is my second time trying to get this out for you guys. I'm not sure if it's like a retrograde or something. I'm not sure. I don't really follow that type of stuff really. I'm not sure if it is, but if it is, that could be why I have to re-record some of these, because that's what happens during that energy. I'm not sure. It could be, maybe it's not, but okay, we're back. So we're going to look at how you and your love interest feels about you and how you both see each other. There's an extended version of this, so if you're interested, get the extended version. The link will be down below in the description box, and we will go deeper. We'll look at your intentions toward each other and some angel guidance and messages. It is really helpful. So if this is really resonating with you, you may want to check it out. All right, so Capricorn, how are you feeling about this person? So I've sensed that this is more so about yourself really, but I think that you guys are feeling like a savage. Yeah, classy, moody, ratchet, acting stupid, what's happening? Okay. So it's like that type of fun, youthful, playful type of energy, just like that song. And I think that it could be that people know you, or you're becoming known as a savage when it comes to your love life. Okay, so you may have friends or family, strangers, social media, whatever, whoever, people. I feel like it's a lot of people who know you as being a savage person to the opposite sex. So you could be known for turning down some of the best options in love, and people know you as that person who does that or who did that, or you have a name for yourself for doing this, or if not, then you're the kind of person that is more like the savage one in your relationship, if you are in a relationship dynamic, or if you're in a situationship. You're just known for being the person who can calm your man down or calm your woman down or sit someone down really quick, because you just have that type of like strong boss like energy within your connection, where your lover doesn't play with you, that kind of thing. But like I said, it can just be about a lot of people from the opposite sex being interested in you, and you're well known for shutting down offers. And it could be that you're shutting down these offers because you already have someone that you have your eyes on. You could be attracting very powerful people or powerful energy to you, whether it's good or bad. Your energy is very magnetic and attractive right now. So different kinds of people want to be in your energy, and you could be so savage and you're just like, nope. I'm good. And so you could be, having your eye on someone specific. That could be why you're doing this. For others of you, you may not really be doing this because of another person. It could just be that's just how you are with people, but it really just depends but I strongly feel like you're doing this because you already like someone. Now this person and how they feel, even this person feels rejected by you, because you're in this energy where you are becoming more popular. Like, people are talking about you turning someone down, or maybe people are talking about how you carry yourself in your relationship or marriage. You're just seen as the one who is more savage than your person, or you're more savage to people who like you. But this person who you're interested in, they feel the same way. Like, these people, they feel kind of lost. They don't know how to navigate through this connection right now. They don't know if you're feeling them or if you're not. They don't know if you want them or you don't. They don't know if that's the moody part, because sometimes you could be classy, but sometimes you could turn up on this person and you could change up and you could do something totally different. You could be savage sometimes. And so people don't really know if you're this sweet, loving, adorable person who really does want love and a relationship and marriage and all that, or if you just want to be kind of savage and you want to just shut everyone down, if you want to like just be like a player. Like, people don't know how you really are coming when it comes to love, but these people also love this about you. They find it to be a challenge, and that's what men especially love about you, is that you provoke something within them that makes them feel competitive about you, and they want to challenge about you, because you just straight up say no, or like you could just tell people, no, I'm married, or no, I like somebody already. It could be people around you at work or in any type of environment where people like you or they're trying to get your attention, but you're just like, no, because you may already have a work crush. I don't know. You may already have someone that you're interested in, for some of you. But whatever it is, this person wants to spend time with you, but they don't know how to. They don't know how to come up at you. They don't know how to approach the situation. I feel like they want a new experience with you. They want to spend precious times with you, precious moments. They want to create these moments with you. They want to get closer to you. They are ready to love you, and they want to show the world that you're theirs. They want to show the world that you are for them, but they don't know how to do it. They don't know when is the best time to do it, because they're kind of lost with this, just like other people. I'm telling you, even the person you're interested in feels the same way, because they're like, what does the Capricorn really want? I thought they really wanted love. I didn't think that they could be so savage. Like, what is happening? So this person is kind of lost with this too. Okay. Now, how do you see this person? The way you see them is, you see this person as someone who really knows how to be patient. They have been so patient with you. I feel this person has watched you grow. That's the way you see them. Like, you see them as being like the gardener, right? They're the gardener, the planter. This person has planted a seed within this connection, and they have watched it grow and come together. And you have watched them watch you come together with them, if that makes sense. Like, you know that you are like a seed that this person has planted in the past, that they wanted to manifest, that they wanted to happen, and it's happening. You know that this person had their eyes on you. You know that this person was the person that liked you. You know that they had a crush on you, or maybe you've known this for a long time now, or could just be something new, but you knew that this person, when you first saw them, that you knew what they wanted, and you knew like what they had manifested. It's like, you know that this person manifested you into reality, or whatever's about to be happening the last half of the month. It's like, the way you see them is that it took them a while to actually see their dream come true, or it took them a while for them to actually see you coming forward to them, or took them a long time to see you come into your own knowledge about this connection that you have with them. And you watch them watch you. So now you're coming together and you're both just like in awe. But see, what happened with this connection was that this person came onto you. They already had liked you. They already noticed you. They already had their eyes on you. You watched them slowly start to come towards you, come forward and show you this attention and this type of attraction towards you. They slowly built on this, and you watched them as they did it, but you knew that you were the apple of their eye the whole time. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. The number 4 could be relevant in some kind of way for some of you. Now, this person and how they see you as a healer, someone who is, very, very healing. You're the kind of person who you kind of like watch over them, and you're able to offer direction to them. So you're always there when you call, always on time. Gave you my Baby, be mine. Okay, so this person is giving off like Ashanti vibes if they're a female, Jaru vibes if they're a male. Okay, like you're always on time. You're always there for them. You support this person without them even knowing that you support this person without you realizing how much you support them, if that makes sense. Like the things you say is supporting them, and you may not even be intending for it to support them, but you do it naturally and it's automatically supporting them. So like you're always by their side. You're there to care for this person. You help this person when they're struggling, and you may not know it or may not realize it, but you actually help this person when they're struggling with things. The things you say helps this person. You're helping to heal them in a time when no one else was there for them. You're helping to heal this person and help them come back into who they really are, helping them to remember that they were always this boss chick or this boss man. You're helping them to understand that they could get their flavor back, their style back, they could be all spiritual or healing and peace to earth and all this stuff, but at the same time this person has a whole like bright future and destiny in front of them, and they could fulfill both sides of who they are and still accomplish the same goal. Like you're just kind of like helping this person through a struggle and reminding this person that if they need nurturing, it's okay. You can be that person that can step up and be there to nurture them. So they feel like you're very nurturing, and when they need someone with wisdom who can kind of like make them think about things and put it on their mind, about things that are serious or important, then they think about you. They feel like you're the kind of person that can do it. Okay, yeah, this is very, very interesting. I feel like you can feel this person's heart and mind with the words you say, how you treat them, and what you do. It's really a nice connection that you have with this person because they're looking deeper into the connection altogether. And I feel like this person wants to be with you because they feel that you are a blessed person. You are a blessed person in your life. You are blessed with so much, and you have divine healing within yourself as well. They know that you can heal as well, and they can heal. They have healing abilities too. You both can heal each other from a lot of things that happen, but you show up in this person's life as someone who definitely supports them. Like when other people are not supporting them, you support them. When other people don't have anything nice to say to them, you say nice things to them. When other people are like trying to challenge this person or make things harder for this person, you're trying to like show this person that you were trying to make it easier for them, that they don't have to feel like no one's there for them. You stand up for them. You support them in some kind of way. So that's just what I'm getting here. So, continue to pray for this person. If you do pray for this person, continue to say good things about this person, because this person does need it. They did need you, someone like you around to help them, because this person has been through a lot. And I think that you all can sense that. And so that's why they see you as a healing spirit around them and someone that they really do need for that type of guidance and help. So this is really sweet and beautiful and pure energy right here. Thank you, and get that extended if you want to go deeper. God bless.